What's up guys, it's Supercar Blondie here in Germany. I'm kitted out like I'm in Alaska because it's freezing. I don't know what is going on. It's like 4 degrees. I'm not used to this weather at all. You're gonna have to put up me looking like an Eskimo for this YouTube vlog. If you haven't yet subscribed to my family, please do so. I almost can't talk at this point because I'm freezing. My face is like freezing off. Behind this door is something that you probably haven't seen before. Did you get a sneak peek just now? Come on in, come on in. I'm gonna show you. Ruining my shot, man. What's that about? Seriously. Behind this door is a car that is from Audi and it's a concept. It's a concept off-road car and it's got some pretty cool features. Should I stop talking and just show you? Let's do it, come on. No, let's go back inside, it's freezing. No, okay. Come on out. Okay, all right, here it is guys. So this is the Audi AI Trail. This is made for off-roading. As I said, this is their vision of a car that can take you places wherever you want to go, like forests, beaches, etc, etc. Take a look at this. Ta-da! Love how things just happen. I just say, check this out, and things start opening. Right, here we are. I want to take you through some of the coolest features. I'm going to start right up here. Look at this. You'll never guess what's on the roof. You have drones on the roof. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And they actually act as spotlights. Instead of having spotlights on the front of the car, the drones will lift off, fly in front of the car and light the way. It means that you can see even further forward than you would with traditional car spotlights. Once you're on the trail, say you're going hiking in the forest, park the car, the drones will then actually follow you as you walk through the forest, then lead you back to the car so that you always have light, right? Okay, take a look at this roof here. It's a massive open sunlight, and that's kind of the concept behind the car. It's like completely open diamond. It's like in a diamond shape. Let me show you here. Look at all the glass here. You can see all the way around 360. In the front, you've got like a helicopter vision. I don't know if you guys have been in the front of a helicopter, but that's what it looks like. You have your main windscreen. You also have this kind of open section down here where you can see to the ground. All right, now look at this. I quite like this. Hammocks as chairs. I've never seen that before. That is super cool. Look. And this is really, really comfy. I've never thought of that concept. That is really cool. So if you're going over like rugged terrain, super, super comfy. The purpose behind these hammock chairs is that you can actually take them out. Once you've arrived where you want to go, take these out, hook them up to trees. And there are several other things that you can take out of the car. There are binoculars up there. Also, you've got a first aid kit here in the center, and on each door you have water bottles that you can take out as well. All right, let me show you more. Come around the back of the car here. Look how this is fully open. These tires here, these are like the coolest off-road tires I've ever seen. Look at this design. That is pretty cool, huh? Look what you can do. Got my phone here. The driver takes their phone and slots it just in here. Okay, and this becomes your dash. There are no other buttons or levers in the car. Look, there's no center console where you control anything. It's completely free. Everything is controlled by your smartphone. You only have a wheel, a smartphone, and some pedals. This is like this same kind of style as my steering wheel in my car, Lucy, it's kind of cut off here at the top. Looks pretty cool for a rugged terrain car, doesn't it? And you've got these side mirrors here, and there's one on that side, obviously. And you've got this space here for storage, say if you want to bring a tent or whatever else. I found one lever. This actually moves your seat forward. If there was a button to be found, you know I'd find it, right? They have all of those buttons. A little button. Button? I knew there'd be a button somewhere. We love buttons. It's kind of my specialty. They're trying to focus on like sustainable materials in future. There's some recycled leather in this car. And what Audi's trying to do is make specific vehicles for specific purposes in future. This one's specifically for off-road, then they'll make another one specifically for the track. That video is already out. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out. The link is in the description below this video. It's called the AI Race, and it's specifically made for the track, and it's so cool. I literally just filmed with that. At the moment, a lot of companies are kind of putting on the market all-purpose vehicles. You know, they could go on the track, they could go off-roading, they are comfortable, they're good for a family, whatever. What they want to do is actually put out specific vehicles for specific purposes, and you'd be part of like a pool program. You would pay an annual subscription, for example. What you would do is you would take, whenever you need an off-roading car, you then go and get the off-roading car for the weekend. Then you take that back to Audi and you get like the cool little city speedster car for during the week, and you take that back. So you're part of like some kind of annual subscription, and that's where they see the world going. That's what they're trying to do with these cars. Anyway, that's a little bit of an insight on their future of off-roading. Thank you very, very much to Audi for having us here today and showing us this incredible car. And that's it. Thank you to you guys as well for watching. Love you guys so much. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Do it right now. We've got so many cool cars coming. And that's it. We're going to go warm up. All right. Love you guys. Bye. We're out.